Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add YouTube link to your Instagram bio. Let's get started. First things first, we'll need to copy your YouTube link. So open up your YouTube app and tap on your avatar at the bottom right corner of your screen. And under your name, you'll see View Channel. Click on that and then you'll go to your channel. And then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and then select Share. And then select Copy Link. Now you may close your YouTube app and head over to Instagram. Go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then click Edit Profile. At the text box beside your bio, just paste the YouTube link and click Done. Once you go back to your profile, you can see that there is now a link in your bio, but it is not clickable. If you want the link to be clickable, we need to add it as a link. So just delete this in your bio and go to Links. And then click Add External Link and then paste the URL. In the text box beside URL, give it a title and then click Done. Now, when you go back to your profile, you'll see a clickable link just below your bio. Just click on it and you'll see Options. And then click on the YouTube link. And that's it. You'll be directed straight to your YouTube channel. And that's how easily you can add a YouTube link to your Instagram bio. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!